Earlier this year, I started having some back problems, back pain, and it progressively got worse to where it was on my upper back, lower back, and got to the point where I couldn't sleep at nights. So finally, after a long procrastination, I decided to come and see him and get some type of diagnosis of what was happening with my body. Oh my God, the treatment has helped me tremendously. I can tell you after the first week, I was able to sleep for a couple hours straight. And as the weeks progressed, the pain began to leave. My upper back was first, and then my lower back that needed a lot more work, but totally different. As a matter of fact, this week, for the first time in a couple of days, I've had no pain. Oh my goodness, it made a big difference. Some days the pain was so much, I would end up staying mostly in the office and just couldn't work, almost couldn't work because of how bad the pain was. So it really hindered me in doing my job. And when I went home, all I could do was lay in bed. But with the treatment, I'm able to have a full day's work and go home and still have a lot of energy and feel good. I have learned a lot. First thing is my posture. I have learned I'm very conscious of keeping my head up straight, my neck, and also because I use the cell phone a lot, I have learned to pay attention to not leaning so much on that side when I'm using the phone, but to really sit up straight. So yeah, it has helped me be very aware of how I'm sitting, how I'm standing even. The first time I had the massage, it hurt a lot because I was in a lot of pain. But that night I went home and I slept very well. The next day I noticed the areas, especially my lower back, that had been giving me a lot of problems. The pain had subsided a lot. So of course I said, boy, I'm addicted to this. So the following week I said I want another one and another one. And even the last one I received the other day, I was experiencing some slight pain in my lower hip, left hip, and she worked the kinks out. And I am noticing a big difference with the massage. My own personal experience going to the doctor's office, this has been one of the best experiences I've had. Also having clients that are doctors in and out of their offices. This office shows a lot of professionalism. When I first came in, Dr. Peck did my x-rays, sat down with me in his office, reviewed everything, told me what his diagnosis was and what the treatment plan should be, even down to the payments. And we agreed on everything, and it was set up, and that was it. I don't have to worry about my appointments. I don't have to worry about my payments. If every doctor's office ran like this, it would make life so much better. But I have to say it's one of the most professional and friendly staff I've dealt with since going to a doctor's office.